hearing myself in my head. I'ma go back. I'm dead like dread. I'ma bring it back like said Led Zeppelin. Here I go and I'm about
Hold on, I can catch the mic, but I just wanna jump it off. When the whole band is really jumping off, and then we jumping off. It's like Rage Machine. Understand I do this shit, get in the machines and I elevate myself in landing. Back to past reasons landing. Yeah, safe landing when you're standing. Yeah, she moving around, round and spinning. Yeah.
You know what? If I don't answer, I preserve my energy. I don't want answer. I thought I told you. We kiss my beats. My name was Jehovah, the lone soldier. Yeah, I took an oath, son. Yeah, I'm looking down on you. Put a crown on him. Yeah. You see this t-shirt I'm wearing? Yeah, I'm very scary. Yeah, now we're kicking it. Yeah, that Bruce Lee shit. You please it. Yeah, old fashioned. Keep you in check. Go cash